Hey guys, it's Chicha. Today I'll be doing Christmas makeup look number 4, as well as BoxyCharm unboxing review for the month of December. So let's get right to it. Alright, so today we're using the Suva Beauty's Protege palette. We're going to start off with a soft brown to put on our outer crease. Then we're going to take a darker color to deepen that crease to create a nice brown smoky eye.
If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn.
Now we're gonna do a little bit of shimmer in the tear duct and on the lid to really brighten up and bring those eyes forward. Alrighty, so now I'm going to do just my regular face makeup, which includes foundation, blush, highlighter, contouring, just to get my face nice and ready for the rest.
Born from the same branch and leaves, wild and free, living here in harmony. Don't you see? This is where you want to be. But when you leave, the world is never what it seems. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and drew a gingerbread man and Christmas lights on my face off camera. Now, I'm not an artist, so my drawings aren't exactly the best or the worst, so just don't laugh about it. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna top off my lips with the lip gloss that came in the box from Tarte Cosmetics. Now this lip gloss, not only does it smell amazing, but felt so good on my lips. I'm not a lip gloss girl. I don't ever really wear lip gloss at all, but it felt nourishing. It wasn't heavy. I really loved it, and I just wanted to give my lips a little bit of shine. Alright guys, so I saved the best for last, which is highlighting my face. And well, that is all for this gingerbread man inspired makeup look. Now, if you guys want me to do anything else like makeup reviews or any tutorials or anything like that, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.